Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a couple of hairstyles with some braids because my hair is already done. So it's been sitting for about 2 weeks. So we'll come out with like maybe 4 or 5 hairstyles today. Alright, so first we're going to do something really simple. I'm going to take half of my hair like this. So we start like that and we're going to do a French braid. It's pretty easy, simple. I like having some of these will be using just a simple rubber band and some bobby pins. There's one. There we go. One hairstyle. Awesome, right? That quick and simple. Yes, these are like for work when you work in a business office. You can't just wear them down like you just really want to. Oh, I just dropped my rubber band. Oh. Hairstyle number 2. I always want to keep some edges going. There we go. We're going to take half of your hair. We're going to throw that into a ponytail. We're going to use a couple bobby pins for this one. So as long as you got some rubber bands and some bobby pins available, you're good to go. We're going to take one side of that ponytail and we're going to braid it. Then we'll take a couple of bobby pins and then we'll just wrap it like so. I normally wrap it under my ponytail first to lock it in there, and then take this one and wrap that one over like so. And now we'll take a couple of bobby pins and we'll bobby pin it in there. I'm showing you guys different techniques, so pin that one. Then you have something like a halo braid on top of your head. Then you got this going on back here. Like, yeah. There goes number 2. That's number 2. So now we're gonna go to number 3. Down, pin it on whatever side you think looks good. Normally I go for that side. We'll take a couple of bobby pins good one for you. You're gonna leave these two out. You're gonna come up. Put this into the ponytail. Again, just one rubber band. What you do is you take 1, 2 from out the ponytail. So here goes 1, 2, and then like the ponytail 1, 2. Alright, so then you pull these two up. Take your two that you have hanging and you bring them across, right? Like so. Kind of got it going on my eyebrows, don't I? One. And that. Yeah, that's going on like that. And you take your bun. And this is number 4. Then you can always go like this, and you'll braid this side for number 5. 1. Different if you're trying to look really not so much weird. Like you're doing something, you just take it and you'll cross them the other opposite way. So you'll wrap it. And you really, for these, you really don't need a whole lot of bobby pins. I really don't like using bobby pins a whole lot. And you'll cross this one over. And you bring it over. And you stick it under that bun. And boom. Yes. Oh, I missed two in the back. We'll make that part of the style then, huh? Then you got this side on the back. And that is style number 5. Now, what we'll do is we'll take this one, 1, 2, 3. I like to have even braids when I braid. So 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, 2. 1. And then we'll take another one, 2, and 2, and we'll braid that one down. Two braids in the front. Then you're just gonna take your hair, and you're gonna take this one, and you do a bigger braid this way, because this is gonna actually wrap around your ponytail, so you're braided. Sorry, handy dandy rubber band. And the rest of the hair that's not braided, we're going to pull it over to the side just a little bit. Like so. Alright. And we'll take these two little ones. bobby pin. Again, I'm not a real big fan of bobby pins with braids, but in this one, because of the way you have it braided, it should just go straight back. And you're gonna take it, you're actually gonna wrap it around that one. You'll find it under there somewhere, just stick it under the braid. And that's number 6. And if you really want to get jazzy, you can take it, twist it, and wrap it around like so. Some days when you kind of go and boom, number 7. That's it. That's all I have for my show today, y'all. Y'all enjoy yourselves, y'all day, good night, whatever it is. But I hope those 7 styles for box braids really, really hit the spot. You guys have a good day. Thanks for watching my channel. And please, if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and like.